Hello everyone, my name is Andre. In this video, we will look at how to properly set up Twilio credentials in n8n. This is important if you want to connect SMS, notifications, calls, or other automations via Twilio. After setting it up, you will be able to send messages and manage communications directly in your workflows. And by the way, if you need ready-made automations, I have a selection of workflows for n8n. You can download right away in my store on Gumroad. First, in n8n, create a new credential and select the auth token authorization type. In Twilio, go to Console Dashboard, Account Info, copy account SID and paste it into Credential. And ANS will act as a login. Copy auth token and paste in n8n. This will act as a password. Tip: never publish your token. Keep it secret. If the token accidentally leaks, you can always change it and go. Try connecting Twilio to your project. And automate sending messages directly to n8n. If you have any questions, write in the comments. If you want to speed up work, check out my store on Gumroad, where I have collected ready-made workflows for n8n. Subscribe to the channel, like, and share this video